Right. So in the last session, what we have discussed, just the relation between a primary key and foreign key. Yes, primary key and foreign key. That is, and here it is in a primary key foreign key relation. Just we are dividing one large table into small individual tables, and we establish the relation between them using primary key column as well as a foreign key column. Then what is the purpose of joins concept? It's very simple one. Joins are used to collect the information by combining more than one table. By combining more than one table, that is. Okay, that is the one. Joins are used to collect the information from multiple tables and display them. So select option only. Joining is nothing but selection option only. How many joins are there? So all the joins one by one with a diagrammatical notation. I'll explain. So that will be very easy so that you can understand. Right. Right. Here it is. The first one, simply we can say that it's a normal join. Simply, we can say that it's a normal join. Suppose this is the table. So what is a normal join? Let me explain. With suppose this is the one. Normal join, I'll explain. Here, customers table is there as well as a orders table is there. But here it is a only the third person, right? Here it is placed one order. Next one is a fifth person placed one order. First person no order, second person no order, fourth person no order, like this. Only the third person as well as fifth person only place the order. So when we join the tables, how you will get the information means what? Suppose is a customer ID, is a customer name, and what is the amount of order. I just want to display these three. In a normal join, how you can display? Select customer ID first name from the customer table and amount from the order table, right? Where the customers table joining the orders table, customers table joining the orders table, and what we need to make it equal means what? Customers table customer ID is equals to orders table customer. Customers table customer ID is equals to orders table customer. We should make it equal. That is. Then only two records will come. Only two records. See, like this. Simple one. I want to display customer ID, customer name, amount of order. Amount of order. The three things we want. But here it is only one table is not there. How many tables are there? How many tables? Here it is two tables are there. Sometimes column names may be same. Multiple tables can have the same column names. Duplicate column names can have. Then how can we identify means what? Simple dot syntax they have given. This customer ID is belongs to customer table. This is the one. Next one is a first name, is a first name from customers table. Next one from the order table amount. See order table dot amount using simply the dot operator. Using simply the dot operator. That is okay. Dot operator. Now, okay, the three columns, first column, second column, third column, from two different tables. That's why we are representing table name, column name, table name, column name, table name, column name. We are representing like this. From customers table, joining which table? Joining the orders table. Joining the orders table on, okay, you are joining on which column? By combining these two columns. What are the columns? Customer table, customer ID is equals to orders table, customer. Customers table, customer ID is equals to orders table, customer. Hope you got that. Okay, na? So this is the simple way of finding. This is simply join. See, in interview, suppose whenever they ask you, tell me about the joins means what? At least from our side, minimum effort we need to put. Sir, first of all, join means what? By combining more than one table, we are getting the information where primary key and foreign key relation should be present between the tables. Next, how can we join the tables? Sir, first of all, we need to select how many columns you want. How many columns you want. From different tables, you are getting the columns. So just for identification, you need to specify table name dot column name, table name dot column name, table name dot column name. Customers dot customer ID, customers dot first name, orders dot amount. Okay, first you have selected what is the information you want. Next, right, from both we need to select. So from customers table by joining the orders table is nothing but you are joining both the tables. Now what is the condition? On. What is the condition? Customers customer ID is a orders customer ID. Only. Hello. Customers customer ID is equals to orders customer. When both are equal, then we can do. That is the one. Okay, na? That is. Is one. Now, what is that left join? That is a normal join. Join means just join. Left join means what? All you need to add here left. That's all. What is the difference? Simple difference. What is the left table and what is the right table? In left table, how many customers are there? Represent all customers. Represent all customers. But in the right side, if order is there, okay, you can specify the order. If order is not there, then simply leave it as a null. Leave it as a blank. That's all. That's all. That is called left join. From the left side table, you need to display all records. But from the right side table, what all the matching records are there, only matching records you provide. Molly, రారంటే ఈరోజు వస్తారంటే చెప్తే నేను ఇప్పుడు భయపడలేదు నేను బాగా చేస్తాను. Okay, that is what left join. The right join is just reverse. Right join. Here it is a how many orders are there, no matter. Here it is a order amounts. All these are order amounts. How many? 5. But how many people ordered? Only third one, fifth one. Okay, 933 400 400. This is the one. So only these two will give left side. Remaining is not there. Is the one. That is just you need to add the right join. Now full join means what? Look at this. Look at this. In full join case, total. Here it is a 5 people. Look at this. 5 people. And here it is a total 5 amounts are there. 5 people, 5 amounts. This is also called like a Cartesian product. Now the first person. First person, any order? No. First person is a no order. Next, second person, any order? Is a no order. Third person, yes, order is matching. So first one completed. Second one completed. Third one is a matching. So third one completed. Third one completed. Next, fourth one. The fourth one, anything? No, is not there. Fourth one completed. Fifth one, yes. Fifth one is a matching. Is a fifth one completed. Left side. Now right side come to that. Remaining 3 are there na? 200. 200 completed. 300 completed. And 150 completed. 150. Like this. Overall, from the left side table as well as from the right side table. From the left side table as well as from the right side table. Okay, we will do all these things. We will do all these things. This is actually called a full join. You need to explain this much. First of all, joins means for first they will ask you to divide one table into 2 tables with a primary key foreign key relation, and first they will ask the simple join like this. All these joins you need to explain. This is full join. Practice this. And this is in SQL, learn this much perfectly. That is enough. And from the PLSQL or TSQL, we can call it as. If it is a Oracle student, we can call it as a programming language, SQL query language. SQL server student, we call it as a TSQL. We can call it as a transaction SQL query language. So what is the purpose of this one and why they introduced? Here actually, you need to understand the programming concept also, either Java, .NET, Python, no matter. Normally, simply here it is. This is the database. In a database, account table is there. Account table is there. Account number. This is account table in database, which consists account number, account holder name, balance in account. The details are there, 101, 102, 103, and with the details, like this. Suppose the balance. Suppose the balance is the 1. Now, in account table, in programming language, a Java programmer, .NET program, Python program, no matter, I just want to withdraw some amount. So we ask enter account number, suppose 102, enter how much amount you want to withdraw. We ask like this. Suppose is a 4,500, but directly you can't. Suppose whenever we try to withdraw, normally we use update query. Yes or no? Update account table, update account set balance is equal to balance plus how much amount you want, balance minus withdraw na? How much amount you want to withdraw, where account number is equal to that number. So what is that number? Here amount, how much amount you want to withdraw, what is the account number? Sir, suppose directly if you execute the query and the person trying to withdraw 7,500 rupees, what will happen? 6,000 minus 7,500, right? Finally, the query will be minus 1,500. Minus 1,500. That is the one. Hope you got it. So it should not happen. It should not happen. So what we should do? What we should do? Simply, first we need to check. First we need to check amount is present or not. For that, one more query. Select balance from account where account number equals to the number. First we specify in account number 102 how much balance is there, that you need to collect into one variable. Into one variable, balance is equal to. So 6,000 rupees will come and store into this one. 6,000. Here we are writing the condition actually if how much amount they are trying to withdraw is less than or equal to the balance in account, happy. You can update. You can update, else directly you are giving the message no, insufficient balance in account. Insufficient balance in account. See, look at this. Amount you are trying to withdraw is a 7,500 is less than or equal to balance in account is 6,000 rupees only. Condition false. Condition false. So else block insufficient balance. No, sir. Not a 7,500. It's just 3,500 only. Now, 3,500 is less than or equals to 6,000 rupees. Yes, then update it. Balance is equal to balance minus 3,500 where the number is equals to 102. Number equal to 102. Then 6,000 minus 3,500 is 2,500 will be updated. Here the problem is, this is programming code. Python, Java, .NET, no matter. Problem is 2 times you are connecting with the database is a 1 time for getting the information and the second time for storing the information, for updating the information. Because of this, the network traffic will increase. Because for one transaction, if you are connecting with the database which is in server, daily in banking, crores of transactions will happen on the same time. So automatically the network traffic will increase. So instead of connecting with the database multiple times, database server multiple times from application, don't write this logic in Java, .NET, Python. Right? The method, withdraw method. You know what is this method? Is a withdraw method. That withdraw method, taking the number and how much amount you want to withdraw. This method, either you will write with a If you are the Java student, Java syntax, .NET student, .NET syntax, Python student, Python syntax, you will use. Don't use this. Directly, this withdraw method, directly you write in SQL syntax. PLSQL or TSQL syntax. Or TSQL syntax. You please write like this. Here SQL syntax you have to use. Method is only same. That is actually called procedure or function. Same only. Number. Which type? Integer type. It's a in parameter. Amount is which type? Decimal type or number. Decimal type is a in parameter like this. Like this. There is a different, like instead of open brace and close brace, start then if else if then, like this it will be there. I'll show you the syntax. But here only the thing is what? To avoid multiple times connections with the database from programming, whatever the code you are writing, logical code in Java program or .NET program or Python program, you please directly write with a SQL syntax only. Sir, this file will store okay, is a Java file, and this file is a SQL file. You will store in a database only. You will store in a database only. That is okay, na? Simple one. Simple one. Okay. Now let me show you. That is the one I have given here. You please go through that. Stored procedure. Collection of SQL statements. Just like a program. See, if you want to insert the data, you need to call the function. You need to call. Normally, how you will write the function? Simply I'm writing function insert account. Insert account is taking the number, name and balance. And here you will write the insertion logic. Insertion logic you will write. Same one. Procedure. Insert into account is a name. These are the input values. These are the arguments. Input values we need to call and pass. Is a open brace na? Open brace is nothing but is begin. Insertion logic is a query only. Insert into account values. After that, you need to commit, save and close. This closing brace is nothing but end. This slash means for to execute the procedure. To execute the procedure. That is to execute the procedure. Okay, is a one. Simple one. This is the see. I'll show you that withdraw. First simple one I explained directly withdraw operation. This is a function name. What is the number and how much amount you want to withdraw is begin. First getting the balance. Select balance from the account into current balance. This is one extra variable we declared. From the account, collect the balance into this variable from account where we specified the account number. Okay. Here only writing. If the balance, how much balance is there, is greater than the amount you are trying to withdraw, then update it. Then update it. Simple way. This is actually the PLSQL or TSQL. TLSQL also same, little difference. But they will ask the question, what is stored procedure? Tell me exactly what is the reason. Then what I explained, the same thing. The program exactly what we are writing the logical code in a programming language. The same logical code you will write in a database syntax only. And the same thing you will save in a database only called stored procedure. Why? Just to decrease the network traffic, right? Instead of connecting with the database multiple times from the programming language. That is stored procedure. Maximum what all the concepts we have discussed as of now, you please prepare and concentrate only this much. Exactly you deliver in every interview you deliver. Definitely SQL interview you will crack. That is, this is all about the course. But whenever you want suggestions, just in the group, drop the message. And daily, I'll share the posts also, the interview questions also. I'll ask one query, you please type and execute. I'll ask the query and you please type and execute. And one thing you just do. As anyway, you have completed that course, just log into HackerRank. Everyone, today just log into HackerRank. Select SQL, start practicing what all the codes you are practicing with the answers also you please post in the group. So others also will log in and complete, and finally you will get that 5-star certification from the hacker rank that you can put it in your resume also. Please do that one. Any query, something you are not getting, just a screenshot and place it in a group. Everyone will help. Okay.